Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the American version of Netflix from anywhere in the world. And also in this video, I'll be doing a live before and after when connecting to the American version of Netflix, just so you guys can see that this method is actually working in 2021. Let's get started. Okay guys, so when it comes to getting the American version of Netflix, it's actually surprisingly really simple, and you can do this in only a couple of clicks. So to give you a prime example of some of the content you may be missing out on, I'm going to do a quick search for the TV show The Walking Dead. So unfortunately, we don't have this TV show on Netflix in Australia, plus heaps of others. However, you can easily fix this by using a VPN, which is also known as a virtual private network. And essentially what this allows you to do is change your kind of digital location so you can bypass all of the restrictions and access the American version of Netflix in a very easy method and also a very fast method as well. So the VPN I'm going to be using in this video is one called ExpressVPN, and I have found it to be one of the best and the most reliable at bypassing the restrictions to watching the American version of Netflix. So if you guys do want to follow along in this video and get started with ExpressVPN, I do have an exclusive discount link down below in the video description and also the pinned comment if you'd like to follow along. So I've already logged into my ExpressVPN account, and all I have to do to connect to the USA is click on these three dots and then click on the United States as it is a recommended location. So I click on this one and then press the connect button. And it really is that simple, guys. It literally only takes a couple of clicks to change your kind of digital footprint so you can access the different versions of Netflix. And in just a couple of moments, this will be highlighted in green, and this will notify me that my entire computer, including all of my browsers, whether that's Safari, Google Chrome, or Firefox, is now connected. And I can even go and follow the same process on my smartphone device, including iPhones, and even streaming devices like the Google Chromecast and the Fire TV Stick. So now that I'm connected, I can minimize the app and go back to Netflix. And what I want to do now is actually go back to the home page, and then I'll go and refresh the browser. And this is a very essential step, so you can go from your current location to the American version of Netflix. So when you first refresh the browser, it is a little bit slow. It typically takes around 5 to sometimes 20 seconds to refresh it onto the American version of Netflix. And if it's still not working for you, you can simply close the browser, reopen it, and then that will load you onto the American version of Netflix. So as you can see there, guys, that did take around 20 seconds to get started, but once it does, there's pretty much no issues with navigating the Netflix platform. So initially, straight away, I can tell there's additional content just from the front page that I simply do not have in my location. So I've got Criminal Minds, The Blacklist, Breaking Bad, and heaps of other titles. And this is really only scratching the surface as to the amount of movies and TV shows you can find. But what I want to show you guys now is that same TV show that we were trying to watch before, which is The Walking Dead. Now if I just go up a bit, I can search for that same title. So I'll go and search for The Walking Dead. And I'll just give this a couple of moments to load. Search for that one. And as you can see, guys, we now have access to The Walking Dead TV show. So what I'm going to do now is actually go play a really small snippet of this TV show in real time with no edits, as I really want to show you guys that this method is actually working in 2021. And I also want to give you guys an indication of speed, performance, and also quality when using ExpressVPN. So I'll just go and click on this one. I'll go and press play. And again, guys, this will be in real time with no edits whatsoever. And from my typical experience with using ExpressVPN, it usually does take around 5 to 20 seconds for the stream to get started, as you can see right there. So there you have it, guys. That's a really quick, simple, fast, and reliable way on how to get the American Netflix in 2021. So again, if you do want to unblock thousands of movies and TV shows, then don't forget to check out the exclusive discount link for ExpressVPN down below in the video description, and also the pinned comment in this video. So if you guys have had any issues whatsoever with connecting to the US Netflix, feel free to comment down below and I'll be more than happy to help you guys out. So as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.